Hello everyone, welcome to week 5. Week 5 is going to be made up of parts 1, 2, and 3. We're almost there, we have 2 more weeks left. This week I'm giving you a pretty easy week. This will get me caught up in my marking and you caught up in any coursework you may have missed. So again, this week is broken up into 3 parts. Each part has a video. You're watching part 1 video. They'll provide details for that section. Please remember to always look under the content, which will give you a sequential order of what you have to do and what is due and when. So by this week, you should have completed your Animoto video, your blog postings 1, 2, and 3, and wiki parts 1, 2, and the peer and self-evaluations. So, like I said, we're going to take a pretty easy week. Part 1's just readings. Part 2's readings and an example activity, those discussion questions, those quick ones, and same as part 3. Week 6, next week, you will have a small paper due, and week 7, another assignment due. So then we are up to date and caught up on everything. If you are behind in this course at all, please contact me as soon as possible so we can get you caught up. So let's continue on with part 1 by going to content, scrolling down until you find week 5, part 1, and we're looking at social media and government. And you're going to do all of the reading. So if we look at the introduction, social media is transforming how people interact with the government and politics. Now, a lot of this is looking at previous political campaigns and how the government communicated these campaigns, specifically in the US. So when we are done this, we're going to be able to research governments leveraging social media tools to promote awareness, transparency, and trust, recommend strategies for local governments to adopt social media tools, and examine the challenges faced by government utilizing social media. There's going to be a short video, and all you have to do for this portion of this week is make sure all your blogs are completed. And then there's going to be a reflection question. The 2008 US presidential election was marked as the first to be influenced by social media. Does the use of social media by a political candidate make an impact on your voting decision? If you don't remember the 2008 US presidential election, maybe Google it. Look and see. This was a pivotal moment for social media as presidential campaigns were hugely targeting different demographics through the use of social media. Now think about your own use of social media and your own awareness of political candidates or, politics in general. Does the use of social media impact your voting? And how? Now, this is not due anywhere. This is just something I want you to think about. Then for this week, you're just going to go through each of the readings. Make sure in each of the readings you're doing any of the quizzes or activities that I ask for you to do. Watch the videos. They're always very interesting and enhance your learning. And then if you click on the summary, you're going to get a summarization of what we've learned and all the references used to build part 1. And that is week 5, part 1. Make sure you go back in and watch week 5, part 2. Thanks.